If your YouTube short are stuck at 0 views, even hours or days after you might have finished posting your YouTube short, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. Not guessing, not fluff. These are real solutions that I have personally used to break past zeros and reach tens and thousands of views on my YouTube short. And yes, there is a setting inside your YouTube studio that might be killing your short without you realizing it. I will show you that in a second. So stay with me, because the reason why your shorts aren't getting views is probably not what you think. So if this is the kind of video you want to see, give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube can push it to more people and subscribe to the channel. Let me show you why your YouTube short is stuck at 0 views. YouTube's algorithm doesn't promote videos it doesn't understand or trust. If your short is getting 0 views all the time, it means that YouTube hasn't pushed your video to the shorts feed, or it did and got no engagement. Here are the most common reasons why your shorts are getting stuck at 0 views each time you publish. Whenever you are making your short must be vertical in shape, under 60 seconds, and ideally 9 to 16 aspect ratio. Now, if your title doesn't tell the YouTube's algorithm or your viewers what the video is about, it gets a no and people are not going to click on that your video. If you upload your shorts like regular videos you upload on YouTube, instead of from the mobile app or YouTube Studio Short section, they sometimes don't get registered as shorts. That is why each time you upload your YouTube short, you will not start getting what? Views. So here is actually what helped me to fix the 0 views issue and get my short to go from dead to 15k views in less than 48 hours. The first thing is to re-upload with a stronger hook in the first 2 seconds. Your opening frame needs to grab in attention very fast. No slow intro, no logo, just get to the action. The second one is to use relevant keywords in your title and description. If your short is about funny cat face, your title should be cat face you can't unseen. Then you put hashtag short. Make sure that you add 2 to 3 keywords rich hashtags like hashtag cat fails, hashtag funny short, hashtag viral. In that way, your video is going to start blowing up and skyrocketing views immediately. The third one is make sure your video is under 60 seconds and a vertical word shape. If it is even 61 seconds long or square, YouTube might treat it like a normal video, because a normal YouTube long form video has a square word shape, and once your shop is in a square shape, YouTube will see it as a normal long form video. The fourth one is upload using the YouTube mobile app or in YouTube Studio as a short. This guarantees it will go into the short word system. Avoid desktop drag and drop word upload unless you label it correctly. Yes, so in that way, this is how you are going to make your short to show up in the short feed, and this is how you are going to fix this 0 click YouTube short. Now, here is the setting that shocked me. Like, this is a particular setting that I told you that I'm going to show you. Now, this setting is all about you going to your YouTube studio. Like, when you go to your YouTube studio, under the setting, then under the upload defaults, then locate the advanced settings. Make sure your videos are not set to made for kids, unless that is your actual audience target. If it is wrongly set, YouTube will restrict your video. So make sure that you set it and make sure that it's turned on. No comment, no notification, and no feed push. Once it is under made for kids. I had a particular short on this my channel that got 0 views for 3 days. So I changed this setting and re-uploaded that short, and I hit up to 11,000 views within hours. So this is a particular setting you need to make sure that it is very activated on your YouTube studio or on your YouTube dashboard before you upload your your short. So you start getting that word views, that engagement, and what subscriber. So this is my final advice that I want to give you now. If your short are still getting 0 views after you must have finished everything, don't panic. Okay, just don't panic. Most of the times it is either a formatting issue, a bad hook, or your metadata problem. That is your title, your hashtag or visibility and all of that, or a restricted word setting that you don't know about in your word, in your YouTube word studio. So go and fix those things, and your next shot could blow up your channel and also help your long form video to start getting views and subscriber immediately. So if you're looking for a particular way to upload your YouTube shorts, I would rather recommend you this video so you can go how to upload a YouTube short like a pro and start getting that views and what that engagement you have been looking for. Anyway, this is where you're going to end this video for today. Let me know in the comment section if you have experienced any YouTube shorts was zero glitch. I'll be right there in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that each time I publish video like this, you will get notified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.